Okay, we're at velocity mode. Okay.
Yeah, that's something I would drive.
Oh, bro, yeah. Okay, now we are back. Yes. That's a Lamborghini from the 90s, I'm guessing.
80s or 90s.
80s, oh gosh. Here.
Hey, watch where you're going.
This is an
I want you to
event.
forget about that phone and just watch where you're going.
Okay, so
I like that.
what?
The
Pontiac Trans Am?
Camaro.
Okay. Oh, it's an old Camaro. Look at that. Anyway, here I think this is a Nissan 370. This is a Nissan 3. Yeah.
Whatever it is.
I know what it is. Koenigsegg Bugatti. Mercedes Benz. Bentley.
Alright, well, we're gonna.
Repeat what you said again.
If you had to pick one, which would it be?
You know what? All of them.
That's not an option. Pick one.
Well, I think the one that would be the fast would be that one. But usually, right now I'm going to choose that bud or that very nice copper colored 60s Mustang. But probably I'll take that. Here. Take the price tag.
Yeah, don't go ahead and start drawing up a ticket. Don't go ahead and start drawing up a ticket. He's not actually the ticket.
Surprisingly, that's only.
I'm surprised that's the one you like the best. I figured you'd like one of these.
Well, I like the 60s Mustang. It's a very nice car.
No, I figured you'd like one of these black ones.
Oh. Well, this is a pretty sharp looking car. That's 200,000. 200,000. I think I found out the first day. Yeah. I just can't believe I'm pitching. It's a Volkswagen. What type of Ferrari is that? Before we go,
we should figure that out.
it looks like a brand new Ferrari. It's a very nice Ferrari, and the interior is to die for. Really. Let's get 50 likes for Dad knowing his cars.
I love that. I'm going to picture in front of that.
Oh,
Here, let's get a picture in front of this.
this is such a sweet car. All thanks to the person who let me actually come in here.
Yes, this is very generous.
Very, very nice Lamborghinis. Anyway, this is your favorite YouTuber back today, and I will see you later.